have a half wig by Sensational. This half wig has been out for a little while now. I've actually had it for a while now to review for you guys, but I kept putting it off because I kept getting new wigs, and not all of them are new that I reviewed previously, but you know, I just kept getting other wigs, so I just kept putting it off. But she's called DEE. It's one of the instant weave, and I have her in the color 1B. Now this is what the stock card looks like. Really pretty half wig if you're looking for a natural texture, like light yaki hair texture type of half wig. I would say definitely go for this. Love the texture, love the fullness of it and everything like that. Now I did take some of my hair out like you guys saw up front. I took the front of it out and I flat ironed it and gave it a little bit of a curl so it could blend in a little bit with this hair. Now my hair looks a little bit shinier than this, and that's because my hair was already greasy, and then I added heat protectant to it, so with all the oils and stuff like that, it's a little bit shiny, so you will see it. You will see the difference, you know, a lot more opposed to like look at the roots. The roots are actually looking similar to the wig itself because it's a little bit more on the drier side. It's not dry, but you know, it's on the duller side, I should say. But anyway, this is the hair. I didn't receive any tangling, any shedding. So far it's good. It's really soft, so I like that about it. And like I said, I really like the texture it has. It's like a light yaki texture, but it's natural in a sense. Like, I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like, I don't know, it just feels natural. Like if you have natural hair and you flat iron your hair, it will blend perfectly with this. Alright, and in terms of the cap, you get one huge comb up front, you get one at the back, and the adjustable straps. And half wigs can fit any head size, so you're good with that. Any head size you can wear a half wig, and it is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees, so you can definitely add heat to this if you want to. If you feel like you want to straighten it out or whatever the case may be, you can definitely do that. And it comes in other colors as well. I'll make sure to leave all the colors in the description box down below for your convenience. I'll leave a link down below as well, so if in case you want to purchase this, you can click on the link. It will take you directly to the unit on the website. You can choose your color and just purchase from there. But this is pretty much it. I don't think there's anything else to say about this unit, to be honest. I think this is it. If you have any questions, anything I may have forgotten to mention, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer you as soon as possible. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.